Take one. G'day and welcome back to Baz's Cooking. Today we're going to be showing you guys how we do our juicy pork fillets in the Weber kettle. This is super easy cook to do. You can do it during the weekday, so let's get stuck into it. Alright, for our brine, we just want to get about a litre of water. I'll just put this in a pot. You can use any container with a lid. Next, we want about 5 tablespoons of salt. If you're doing this brine the day before or you want a little bit longer than an hour, don't use 5 tablespoons of salt. You don't want that too salty because over an hour it soaks up just the right amount, I reckon. We're also going to do about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Give that a bit of a whisk. Next, we're going to throw in about 4 cloves of garlic. Break them in half. Next, we'll do a heap of loosely cracked black pepper. And some chili flakes. Give a little mix. Cool, we'll set this aside and prep the pork. So we've got our 2 pork fillets. These were very close to being the same size. One was 0.6 of a kilo and the other one was 0.598. So 0.2 of a difference. I can live with that. What we want to do now is just take off any silver skin and excess fat. So we'll go ahead and start doing that. Beauty, we'll get them in the brine. Cool, now we'll place them straight in. Slightly submerge them. Put the lid on. We'll leave it covered up in the fridge for about an hour. So we'll see you soon. Righto, we're about 50 minutes in. It's now time to prep our Weber. Now this isn't going to be a very long cook, so we don't have too much charcoal. We're just going to light our fire lighters. Get our charcoal basket straight over the top and give that 10 to 15 minutes to light up. Now during this time we can pat our pork fillets dry. We just want to dab any excess brine off before we season. On our first fillet, we're going to be using some Chinese 5 spice. Now, I didn't have too much of this left. I would have liked to use a little bit more, but you've got to work with what you've got. And on our other one, I'm going to be using a touch of cherry. This is my absolute favorite on pork. Doesn't matter what cut it is, I absolutely love it. So of course I had to use it. Again, seasoning all sides and pat it down. Now that that's done, we can go check our Weber. As you can see, our coals are cranking, so we're just going to dump this over the other side to get them lit. Spread them out evenly because we want a nice even heat source to cook on. And we'll give that 10 minutes to preheat. Alright, we don't want this too hot, so I've closed off my bottom vents. We want this about a medium to high heat. So we'll throw in our beautiful pork fillets. And come back in about 5 minutes to flip. Give them a flip. Oh yeah. We're also just going to slap on some broccolini and we're just going to brush it with a bit of chili oil. Give these a flip. Oh yeah. Close her up. Alright, so we want to be around 65 degrees. 55, so we've got a bit to go there. 63, so this one's pretty close. So I'm going to leave this one back over and I've just set this one aside away from the coals to cook this one that little bit quicker. Char these up a little bit. Close it back up. Right, it's been another couple of minutes. Let's have a look. 63, 64.4. I'm happy with that. It's time to get these off. Here we have our beautiful pork fillets. Have a look at that. These have been sitting out for about 3 to 5 minutes just to cool down a bit. So now we are ready to cut. Beautifully slightly pink in the middle is just what we wanted. Like I said, we want to take these off at around 65 degrees Celsius. Nice thick slices. That is so tender. I think that hour and a half in that brine was just absolute perfect. Oh my God. Alright, let's plate up because I'm starving. We'll just drizzle over some of our red curry sauce. Have a look at that. Stick in. Well, that's a wrap for us today, guys. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. This is absolutely fantastic. I don't really have much to say about it other than I want to dig in. So, so let's go to. Next, we want about 5 tablespoons of salt. Now, if you were gonna do this for longer than an hour, I would recommend using less salt, as this is gonna get very salty. May even, I think that was 3. I don't remember. I'm gonna have to check the camera. I was right, it was. So 5. So we've got our 2 pork fillets. These were very close to being the same size. One was 0.6 of a kilo, and the other one was 0.598. Put the lid on. Just flaring up, trying to avoid. Right, just to avoid flare ups, I'm just gonna rotate this so I can show you what internal temp we want to be. Is look how gorgeous that looks.